Samsung Smart Switch for Mac simplifies data transfer and backups for Galaxy users with Apple computers. In this video, we'll show how to use it step by step and introduce a reliable alternative for your needs. Part 1. What is Samsung Smart Switch for Mac? Samsung Smart Switch for Mac enables data transfer, backups, and syncing between Galaxy devices and MacOS. It moves contacts, photos, videos, messages, and more, while also supporting software updates and restoring backups. Part 2. How to use Samsung Smart Switch on a Mac. Can you use Samsung Smart Switch on Mac? That's simple. Begin by launching Smart Switch on your Mac and connecting your Samsung Galaxy to the machine. Then, once the application recognizes your device, the interface displayed below will appear. Q1. How do I transfer data from Samsung to Mac for backup? Select the Backup option and choose what you want to backup. Q2. Restore backups. Click Restore, select, and restore. Q3. Restore third-party backups. Click Restore, choose More options, and select a file. Q4. Sync data. Enable iCal or Mac in privacy. Select items in Smart Switch, then transfer. Q5. Update firmware. Click Update if available. Why not working? Update Smart Switch macOS. Check USB. Enable file transfer. Allow access in privacy settings. Reinstall app. Close interfering apps. Fix it. Update Smart Switch macOS. Use proper USB. Unlock phone. Grant permissions. Reinstall. Restart devices. Part 4. Best alternative to Smart Switch for Mac. Smart Switch for Mac backs up Galaxy devices, but may lag or have connection issues. A better alternative is Mobican Backup Manager for Android, offering reliable and efficient performance. How to use this software for Samsung Data Backup and Restore. Download and install the Samsung Backup tool on your Mac computer. Run it and connect your Samsung phone to the Mac via USB cable. Once connected, you can see the main interface of the program below. Q1. How to back up your Samsung phone to your computer. To access the backup window, select the Backup option from the main interface. Then, check the data categories you wish to back up from the provided list. Once you have made your selections, click on Browser to designate an output location. Press the Backup button to initiate the process of saving the Android phone contacts to your Mac computer. Q2. How to restore files on Samsung from the backup. Once your phone is connected, click Restore to view all Android backup files on your computer. Select the desired backup, or click Add Backup Folder to include other files. If everything looks good, click Restore to start the process.